In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get blue tick verification on Telegram account. By the end, you'll know exactly what Telegram looks for, how to prepare your profile, and how to submit a clean application through the official bot. First, make sure your Telegram presence is easy to recognize. Whether it's a channel, a group, or a bot. Set a clear, high-quality profile picture that reflects your brand or identity. Think recognizable headshot or logo, centered and not cluttered. Then check that the username is public. Simple and matches what people expect to search for. Consistency really helps. If you use a specific handle on other platforms, try to mirror it here so Telegram and your audience can connect the dots quickly. Next, set up external verification. Telegram relies heavily on verification you already have on major platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, X, or Snapchat. If your official profiles on those platforms carry verified badges, that strengthens your case significantly. Make sure the display name and handle on those accounts match your Telegram presence as closely as possible and that they clearly represent the same person, group, or organization. If your external profiles aren't verified yet, work on that first, because Telegram's system is designed to confirm your identity through those existing badges. When you are ready, contact the official FaveVerify bot on Telegram. Open Telegram, search for FaveVerify bot, and confirm you are using the genuine one. Tap Start, then follow the on-screen instructions. The bot will guide you to submit the link to the Telegram channel, group, or bot you want verified, along with links to your verified profiles on other platforms. Provide accurate URLs, double-check spelling, and make sure your Telegram entity is public, so it can be reviewed. Finally, provide documentation that proves your notability or official status. Strong examples include a neutral, well-sourced Wikipedia page about you or your organization, reputable press coverage from recognized outlets, or other official recognitions. Share direct links rather than screenshots. And ensure the content clearly references the same name and brand details used on your Telegram and other social profiles. The clearer and more consistent your footprint is, the easier it is for reviewers to confirm your identity. After you submit, give it time. Keep your profiles consistent and active while the review is in progress. If you are not approved, focus on strengthening those external signals and recognition before trying again. Follow these steps carefully and you'll put your Telegram account in the best position to earn that blue tick. Thanks for watching.